Hey class, welcome to Unit 7 of Branding and Identity. This week we're going to be reading about conducting research, competitive analysis, competitive audit, market research, usability testing, um, language audits, audit readout, and clarifying strategies. So I thought we could have some fun and have you guys, if you wanted to, most of you who may be in this class for graphic design or for marketing, but not necessarily business. Maybe those of you who want to go to the coffee houses and sort of do a comparison and an audit that way. You certainly able to do that. Those of you who are planning on really honing in on creating your own business, maybe those entrepreneurship students who are in the course, feel free to do a competitive audit for your own business. That by all means, that's great. But I will give you the option this week. This is sort of a fun week. I want you to check out different coffee houses, maybe in Jackson and beyond. I know some people don't live near Jackson, and that's absolutely fine. You don't have to do a Jackson coffee company. It can be something near where you're located as well. So if you start with the instructions, what's expected is sort of to read pages 120 through 147, and that is the latest edition of the book. Follow the guides of what I have up here. If you're in the older edition of the book, you'll probably be following the phase 1, everything that is phase 1 oriented. Market research, usability testing, marketing, audit, competitive audit, language audit, audit readout, and clarifying strategy. Hone in on those types of categories for conducting research. So, read all the videos I provided you, some examples of SWOT analysis, strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, threats, how to perform a SWOT competitive analysis, and then an example of one. And then once you do that, go ahead and for those of you who are interested in the coffee one, focus in on one company in particular, maybe your favorite, and then do a SWOT analysis. And then once you're done, submit it to the submission link. Those of you that are doing your own company, find someone who is a competitor and then focus on how you might use some of these strategies to benchmark against other places and build your own SWOT analysis. Okay, if you have questions, please let me know. Again, this week there are no tests, no study sheets, but this competitive analysis, which could be rather extensive depending on how you handle it. I have provided an analysis example. You might just kind of take a look at what's involved. You can add links to yours. You can do an interactive one as much as you'd like. But I think this might help you find little parts that can strengthen your position and benchmark against what else is out there for a marketing action plan. Okay, good luck and hope you all have a great week. Talk with you soon.